some more. Stop. It's up there. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Right now, another adventure. Going to check out another Impala. Yes, another one. DJ Khaled voice. Right now, we're in Hurt, Virginia, going through some windy country roads, and we're going to check out a possible buy. Let's go. Yeah. All right, so this is my newest pickup. Another 1964 Chevrolet Impala. Hardtop. We got some of this here. As you can see, they did go ahead and do some work on this and cover up the floor already. Well, the trunk floor, I should say. New steel, just 10. Nothing crazy. If you hear the buckas in the background, they're actually shooting somewhere way out there. So I wasn't trying to pick up another Impala, but honestly, the deals are out here, and I'd be a fool not to take advantage of some of them. I know I shot a video yesterday on what we're doing with the red car, but the red car is going to now change to this white car, and we're going to keep it moving. Take a look at the interior here. Yeah, really let them guns go off, man. I tell you that. Alright, so just talked to the owner, just striked up a deal. This baby's coming home. So, if you like what you see, I guess it's Levi McCoy barn finds right now. So, see the cows and everything in the background. Go ahead and hit that like button, share, subscribe. I'll let you on in a few. Looking good. Good. Looking good. All that. You look good? Yeah, I'm good on my side. I can come over some more.
No, you look good right there.
Okay.
Stay to me.
Okay.
All right.
Come on forward. Forward. Forward some more. Stop. It's up there. That was easy.
All right.
Let's just go ahead and give this beauty a wash real quick. Because as you can see, she's pretty dirty. We can make a dent